Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube Tech Control. A glimpse into the future. Lamborghini's upcoming hybrid supercars. Lamborghini bosses have confirmed that a replacement for the Huracan will be coming next year, along with some details about the hybrid engine. We are looking forward to hearing news about the upcoming Lamborghini Huracan Replacement, which will be a plug-in hybrid. Finally, Lamborghini has revealed some details for this new car. Meanwhile, the Huracan Strato is the final production version of this legendary supercar. With the production of the Huracan ending, Lamborghini has revealed that its successor will arrive in late 2024 and it will feature a new hybrid powertrain at its core. Lamborghini hasn't just given us the first details of the Huracan's successor, but it has revealed details for the successor to the mighty Aventador as well. Lamborghini for now is keeping the cards close to its chest for a Huracan replacement. However, speaking to Road and Track CEO Stefan Winkelmann has revealed that the next generation of supercar will be coming in late 2024. Like the Aventador's successor, the Huracan's successor will be a hybrid. This statement follows comments made by Winkelmann in 2021 about hybridizing the lineup in 2024. As for what's under the hood of the new car, it remains unclear. Latest report states it could be a twin-turbo V8, but might also be a refreshed version of the Huracan's own V10 engine. We don't know exactly what it will look like, but we've created a render of what we think the Huracan replacement will look like. The actual design hasn't been officially unveiled yet. While the technical was the last series produced Huracan, its production actually ends with the off-road supercar Strato being introduced back in 2022. The Aventador will also soon be getting its own successor. Lamborghini also revealed more details about the future of the other big supercar. Regarding what will replace the Aventador, there is no official name for the new supercar yet. However, Lamborghini has revealed that the code name for the new car it's calling the High Performance Electrified Vehicle, or HPEV, is LP 744. The Aventador's replacement is a monster hybrid that will still feature the Lamborghini V12 engine. The engine will be new, powered by 3 electric motors. It's a big step up from Lamborghini's previous supercapacitor hybrids such as the Scion and the revived Countach. Lamborghini has revealed that the new engine for the 744 will be the L545 engine. It's a 6.5-liter V12 that the company claims is the lightest and most powerful V12 in history. Of just 280 kilograms or 480 pounds, it's definitely light, and Lamborghini says it's 17 kilograms, 37 pounds. Lighter than the V12 Aventador. This is all good news for fans of big ice machines. The final version of the Aventador was the LP 780-4 Ultima, the most powerful version of the Aventador ever, with 780 upon offer, but its successor will produce almost 1,000. Besides the powerful V12 engine, the big talking point of this Aventador successor is of course its new power hybrid. This hybrid power has been staked out in recent tests at Lamborghini. Gone is the supercapacitor from Scion. In its place is a pair of electric motors on the front axle that drives the front wheels, while there's a third connected to the gearbox input shaft that drives the rear end for the new Lamborghini's all-wheel drive. Speaking of transmission, it's a step up from the Huracan and Aventador. Lamborghini says the automatic transmission will use an innovative dual-clutch gearbox. The new transmission will make its debut on the new hypercar and will most likely follow the Huracan's replacement. The transmission uses a wet dual clutch, which according to Lamborghini will provide fast gear changes. 8th gear will optimize the car's fuel consumption to make room for the lithium-ion battery pack. The new gearbox is mounted crosswise and is also a load-bearing component.